congratulations on the wedding.
Thank you.
About time.
About time.
About time. You took your sweet time.
I did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you know that. Yeah, I did.
Of course I know that. I mean, why? Were you scared? Once bitten, twice shy?
Yes, a little bit of that, but it's not about maybe once bitten. I wouldn't call it bitten. I am very glad that marriage also happened. I was very young, but it gave me the best thing in the world, Aslan.
MashaAllah.
And I have a great relationship with Ali and his wife Zara, and mashallah. But yes, I was scared. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि क्या शादी में क्या है, क्या रखा है, like मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. I became a little hopeless about marriage. I became a little doubtful about marriage. I also thought कि if I get married, it'll all be the same. I'll have to pause. I'll have to, you have to give time to different things. And I just thought कि मेरे में नहीं है अभी ये. I can't do it. And secondly, and the biggest reason, मुझे अज़लान का डर लगा रहता था. मुझे ये होता था कि how will he adjust to? If I ever want to get married, how will he adjust? So I used to think about this one thing, Ahmed. I used to say, कि अच्छा, I chose to leave a marriage. And that was my choice, right? And for the longest time, I used to feel guilty about it. कि मैंने अपने बच्चे...
You took it as a failure?
Of course I did. Yes, I did. I took it as a failure, and I also I used to feel guilty about Aslan, that he'll never see a family. And I did that. It's my fault. That was my choice. So I had decided that I will never again make a choice that affects him drastically. So मुझे ऐसा लगता था अगर मैंने दूसरी शादी की तो ये ना हो कि फिर ये sort of इसके लिए एक सेटअप बना हुआ है, एक घर है जहां हम सब हैं, ये ना हो कि फिर इसकी सारी जिंदगी हिल जाए. So that is also why it took a while.
Did he have a say in this?
Yes, he did. He finally convinced me. He said, Mama, what's wrong with you? I said, I'm so scared. He's like, come on.
No.
So I think वो मुझे सुनना जरूरी था. और मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो एक 7-8 साल का बच्चा आपको कह सकता है. वो आपको एक 14 साल का बच्चा कह सकता है, 13 साल का बच्चा कह सकता है.
No, me coming from a broken family, I can relate कि बच्चों के ऊपर कितना आता है प्रेशर. उनको उस टाइम पे नहीं रियलाइज होता. It's only in your teens you realize
the trauma, ना?
What's actually happening and all that.
Yeah.
और वो ट्रॉमा रहता है आपके साथ. आप समझते हैं कि oh, you're invincible, but no, it comes back.
That's so interesting.
It comes back.
And do you think you dealt with that in your own marriage?
Yeah, I did, because emotionally मुझे याद है कि अम्मा अब्बा की वजह से उनकी सेपरेशन जब हुई थी और हमें बहुत अरसे बाद जाके मुझे ये पता लगा था, and this is through my wife, कि I'm emotionally not available. And ठीक है, एक आपका फसाड होता है कि आप कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं, हंसा रहे हैं and all that, but I couldn't have those talks, those heart-to-heart talks.
You couldn't go deep, na?
Yeah,
the in-depth.
But I wasn't trained for it. I was emotionally very unavailable, because emotionally मेरा वो जो बचपना था वो हम लोगों से
kind of छिन गया था ना.
So it's only later in life you realize कि this was something really deep.
Yeah.
And you need a good partner to actually tell you.
Absolutely. That's another thing. I wanted a partner who Aslan likes on his own. Not because he's, my stepfather, or that my mother loves him. No. They should be independently... they should just have an independent relationship. And they should like each other. He should like the man that I'm getting married to. He should eventually love the man and respect that man. That was important to me. And I'm very, very grateful that Salim is that man. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
No, he's a very good-looking man. He has a very mardana chin. That chin.
Hi, I love his chin. And I
Yeah.
love his nose. And he keeps saying, what's wrong with you?
खैर भाईजान.
But notice, I always like these noses.
टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. हाँ, ये होता है, खवातीन के साथ होता है. You know what
Yeah.
they say about men with टेढ़े nose?
No.
I don't know.